Hi, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to study a new poem in your Honeydew textbook named Macavity the Mystery Cat, written by one of the most prominent English writers of all time named T.S. Eliot. So, let us get into the chapter. Thomas Stearns Eliot, or better known by his pen name T.S. Eliot, was a American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and also editor. He and his works is considered to be one of the most famous and supportive thing for modernism in literature. The Wasteland, his poem, is considered as one of the best poems ever written in the world. And for his whole work, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1948. So let us look into the poem which the famous or the poet has written. The first stanza. The poem is about a different type of cat, and it is not a normal cat that we see in our locality. Or it is also a part of a normal cat, but we as a normal people are not yet able to know the peculiarities of a cat, but the poet is able to. The protagonist of the poem is Macavity. Even though he is the central character, we can't call him the hero or the protagonist because he is an evil character in the poem. Macavity is a mystery cat. We were not able to know the exact essence of Macavity, so Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden paw means paw, the word itself means the hand of these cat family members. So he is called the hidden paw means we will not be able to find him anywhere. And for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. The cat can cheat the law and he is a master criminal. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying Scots' despair. Whenever the Scotland Yard or the policemen try to catch him, he will easily cheat them and go. And the flying squad of Scotland is still in despair to catch him. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever the flying squad gets into the place of where the Macavity has committed a crime, did a crime, he will not be there. So the second stanza. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. We are saying that Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He's a special cat. He has broken every human law, the law of gravity. Whenever we fall, we will be hitting our hand or leg or any other body part. But when a cat fall down, he will always fall down in his foreleg. So by that mean, the author is saying that he has broken the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. He is saying that even a fakir or a magician will look with all amusement while seeing our Macavity power of levitation or power of flying. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever you go to see the scene of crime, Macavity will not be there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. Because whenever you go to the site of crime, you will look him for in the basement and also in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. He is saying that cats are that much crooked and Macavity is a master in it. Whenever you get into the place of crime committed by Macavity, you will look for him in the basement, also in the air. But he has the power to even to levitate and make a fakir stare. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. Every time when you try to find McCavity, he will not be there. Now, the third stanza. Till now, we have dealt with what all things are done by McCavity, but now we are going to discuss about the physical traits of the cat McCavity. McCavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat is a type of a cat with so much fur in their body. He is very tall and thin. That word itself get to make us realize that he is not a family pet like small cat. He is roaming all around the area and he is the master of that place. You would know him if you saw him. Every time when you see him, you will be able to realize him because he is such a special cat which is different from every other pet cats out there. For his eyes are sunken in. One among his speciality is his eyes are always sunken in. His eyes are has gone inside. It is not like the normal cat. His that means that his thoughts are always evoking. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His eyebrows is not like a cute like the normal cat, but it is always deeply lined with thought. Every time when you see his eyebrow, you will be able to realize that he is thinking about something. His head is highly domed. His not just his eyebrows, but also his head has a highly dome kind of coverage, which makes him a special type of cat. His coat is dusty from neglect. I'm saying it again. His coat is dusty from neglect. That means that he is not taken care by any family people, and he is neglected from everyone. But he is the master. When there is dust in his body, it means that he is roaming all around that places. His whiskers are uncombed. Normally, if we have a pet cat or pet dog in our house, we will be baiting it. We will be uh, combing its whiskers and all. But his are not that way. He sways his head from side to side. He moves like a snake always and look around and around every time to know what is going on. And the most important thing, when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. When you look at him, you think that he is asleep taking rest. No, he is having a keen observation all around his surroundings. So now the final stanza. Macavity, Macavity. There is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. He is a devil in the shape of a cat, and when it comes to cheating, he is a monster in it. You may meet him in a by street. Whenever you go in the street, you will be able to see him. You may see him in the square. Whenever you go to the town, you will be able to see him. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there because he is the one who does all these crimes. The poet is trying to portray a cat as the villain or the antagonist in the whole poem. His name is Macavity, and he is not the usual cat that we all see here. He has defied every human laws, and he is a different cat which can even defy the Scotland Yard and the police, the spies, everything. He is a special cat. If you confront any sort of doubts while going through the poem, please let me know. And thank you for watching.